Hello, Ruffer family. This is Dr. Walker with another Tech Bit. In today's session, we will be learning how to import our classes from Schoology into Curriculum Instruction. Curriculum Instruction is our new lesson plan program, and we do have to set up our semesters and our classes before we begin the lesson plan creation. If you created a semester 1 and semester 2, there are a couple steps you have to do to be able to get all your year ready. If you just created the one full year, we only have the one time that we need to do this. A lot of that depends on if you're an elementary or secondary teacher, because most secondary classes run a semester 1 and semester 2. So you would need to create 2 semesters for everything to sync correctly. You should be on this timetable page. This does appear after you have created your semesters. If you are on the main first page, to be able to get to that page, you will click on Lessons and Semesters, and then you will see that you have 3 options at the top: Semesters, Classes, and Timetable. You will click on Timetable. Here we need to make sure that we are choosing the correct semester. And if you notice, I have fall, spring, 24-25, and 23-24. I want to leave this on the fall semester. Now at the bottom left-hand corner, I do have import classes. I can also create a class if I need to. So I will click on Import Classes and choose Schoology. Remember, Schoology does sync overnight with PowerSchool, so it will have a list of all the classes that you have available. It will automatically have selected every class that you have access to. What you will need to do is come through and select just the classes that you need to sync with. And then press OK. Now we're able to see that it gives me color coding of the classes I chose to select. I can click on the color icon to choose a different color if I want to. I can also choose the pencil to give the class a new name for your lesson planning. Once I have everything the way I want it, I can click Import, and now it imports these classes. If I need to create another class period, so let's say for advisory, or if I'm a kindergarten or first grade teacher, I only have a homeroom AM and PM, I can create more classes here. And the reason why we would want to make sure to create more classes is when we link our curriculum maps. I am in the process of uploading curriculum maps. Right now, we do have all our math curriculum maps on this site. We have most of our English language, and I am going to continue working on those. And after I'm finished with the English language arts, I will start on the science, then social studies. Eventually, we will have every curriculum map in the district available on this site, but it is still a work in progress. And to be able to create a new class, I will click Add Class, and then I can choose if it is a class or a non-teaching period. Reason why you would have a non-teaching period is just so you can have it in your calendar. So in that way, you know exactly when you should be having planning periods, lunch, or any other activities that you might need. So I can click Class, give it a title I want, choose a color, and hit Create, and now that is there. In our next session, we will learn how to set our daily rotation and to put each of these classes in our schedule so we can begin the lesson planning process. Thank you for all you do, and have a terrific year.